Nothing is there. Get into your bathroom, jump there few times, show some commitment to the body, and then earn your dinner. Today you will not eat without exercising. No dinner for you otherwise. I'm not joking. That is what commitment is all about. And this is not about me. Take this Satyam on life. In your life, the only person you can actually cheat is yourself, nobody else. Though we keep thinking, we cheat them, we cheat. Satyam it is. In life, the only person all of us can cheat is ourselves and nobody else. And stop cheating yourself and start taking care of health, wealth. I'm a very, very strong advocate of every good human being has the moral responsibility to be rich. Every good human being has the moral responsibility to be rich. First part you decide, good human being or not. But if you are, you have the moral responsibility to be rich. In that one area, I don't believe in contentment. There has to be abundance. You got to flourish. Each one of you have to demand this out of yourself. If India ever has to develop, there has to be economic, financial independence for women. And you also have to realize there is going to be no progress unless you strive in the direction. And to all of you sitting here, men and women sitting here, every good human being has the moral responsibility to be rich. Money is not everything in life, but what money can do, money alone can do. Even if you want a comfortable auditorium in which you have to have a program, you need money. Infrastructure needs money. Anything that is material is infrastructure. If you have to wear a comfortable pajama kurta, it needs money. So that I can forget and speak. I can save 200 rupees on pajama kurta and be very concerned because when I open, window will open, I won't know otherwise. Between an ordinary mic and a good mic, money. Between taking your loved ones to an ordinary roadside clinic or to the best hospital where they can be treated, money. Whether your children will go to ordinary school or they'll go to the best of the schools, money. There's no question about it. Only in Airtel ad, Babaji will be available for 1 rupee. Real life Babajis are also very expensive. Money is required. Infrastructure is money. Are you sitting in a comfortable chair which will not create a back problem or it will money? There's no question about it. Infrastructure needs money. And you live once. You deserve to live it in style. And not only for you. When I say every good human being has the moral responsibility to be rich, I also believe this. Again, I'm taking a picture. I don't have a 10 rupee note, but think it's a 10 rupee note. And there's a 10 rupee note there. As I walk past, I feel that's not my money, so I will not touch it. And I go. I'm a good human being. Example ke liye. Okay. Then one rogue comes. And the rogue sees the 10 rupees and he picks up the 10 rupees. If I had picked up the 10 rupees, even if I believe it's not mine, I would have probably fed somebody with that money. The rogue who has picked up the 10 rupees will buy a knife with that and hurt somebody. Now we say bad human beings use money for destructive reasons. I say bad human beings have enough money because good human beings are not striving to become rich. If all good human beings can strive to be rich, how will bad human beings have money? There's only one kerchief there. Either I can take it or he can take it. Both of us cannot have that kerchief. There is only so much currency in a country. Official currency, I'm telling you. There's only so much currency in a country. And that money can either be with you, through which schools will come, hospitals will come, trees will be planted, or that money can be with the Naxalites. And they will continue to use it for destructive ways. Money can either be with Osama bin Laden, and he'll think what else can be destroyed, or it can be with Mother Teresa, and she'll think how many more people can be fed. human being has the moral responsibility to be rich. So much is being talked about how to abolish terrorism in the world. There's only one way to abolish terrorism from the world. There is only one way to abolish all the evil forces in the world. They have to be made poor. And there is only one way they can become poor. All good people have to become rich. Every good human being has the moral responsibility to be rich. And in that sense, every good product and good service must be sold most and more in the world. Any good product. If you are a good doctor, you have to work more. More people should come to you. More lives will be saved. People go to bad doctor because good doctors are not working enough. People go to lousy architects because good architects are not willing to take enough projects. It is very, very important that each one of you realize, if those of you who represent good products and good services, if you are not motivated enough to sell enough of it, people will settle for bad products and bad services, and you are as responsible as those cheats. Because if you have sold enough of it, they would have bought yours, and that would have made all the difference.